Hey, it's Patrick from Distracted Dragon Home with a quick update. We are a week into our Etsy challenge to win Gabe's money at Slant3D, so I want to give a quick update to that, show off a couple of the new products that we're putting up on the store, and hope everybody has a great weekend. To get started, we've had 190 views on the site, which for under 7 days is pretty good. We've had 85 visitors, which not great. So we're going to do some Etsy welcome back ads on the site to see if people are going to come back and buy when I give them a slight discount. I'm going to put out a code probably this afternoon for 10% off if you come back and buy whatever you looked at. So we are doing all the different brands. See, this is Fate's End. It's a tumbler, so you can put your cup in there, and of course my soda's across the room, so I can't show you. That would be interesting. The top goes on when you're not using it, and you can put your die down here, and it comes out in the removable tray. So these are $60 on the site right now, which for what you're getting I think is pretty good. The other thing we're doing is ducks. So this is actually purple. We got the small duck, and this is the wizard. You can do the medium duck. Here's our friend the bard. There's also a ranger one, and then you can do large, or as with this bad boy, you can make him into a bank. There are 5 listings, one for the ranger bank, one for the bard bank, and then the wizard and the bard and the ranger all have 3 sizes in any color that Slant does. I'm dropping a video today on the Slant swatch chips, so you can actually see what colors they look like. But this is strange because this is purple. I'll be really curious to see what it looks like on camera. So quick update. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and look for more videos this weekend. Have a great one.